front pond isn't, but the back pond is. It is iced over.
Yep, power's been out about 20 minutes. Battery backup's going. Checking for outages on.
Snowplows through Big Sandy. We're heading south. Most of it's pretty busted up, but there's still a good bit of ice on the road. Bridges are still pretty icy. There is one lane clear. Looks like that plow's already been through here. Throwed all the snow over to the right. Shady spots. Ice hadn't melted yet. Looks like the Family Dollar is open. Sefco is open. The Hispanic Tire Shop is open. Guess if you need some studs putting your tires. Post office is open. I don't care about the post office, but the bank's open. Already had 18-wheelers stuck this morning at this red light. They got them cleared out finally. Had 3 of them stretched across there, and it don't look like nobody's at the bank. Parking lot is icy. Well, that's not good. No lights on. And there must not be nobody home. Couldn't make it to work. Doggone it. It's gonna be slick. Whatever happened to, no matter rain, sleet, dark, or gloom of night, or ice or snow, the post office is running. Well, they ain't running today. They are not open. Guess even the post office gets a snow day once in a while when they ain't used to it. Oh well. It's probably better that they ain't on the road. Even come to work. Probably more cause for us to run. But the main highway's pretty clear. It's just the park lots and the side roads that are slick. I don't know why the bank couldn't be open. There's good roads to it. Like the Conoco's open. Their parking lot's been well used this morning and not iced up. Somebody's trash bag out in the middle of it, but y'all watch. Sure, I'll be right back.
Well, now, folks, way out in the East Texas pines, there's a little place they call Maverick Acres. It's home to a fella named Jeff, hunter, fisherman, firefighter, and all-around fixer of just about anything. Some say he's an outlaw, others say he's a hero, but either way, he's always got a story worth telling. Let's meet him now. Well, out in the pines where the longhorns roam, there's a Ford in the drive and a man at home. Fixes what's broke, hunts what he eats, got mud on his boots and callous feet. Hey, Maverick Acres running free and wild, East Texas heart with a country smile.
washed it up. The alleyway's slick because it's in the shadows. Clear this way, clear that way. Water running down the road. It's strange because it's 17 degrees, 18 maybe by now. But that little bit of sun's out. I guess just enough to melt the snow and ice and make the water run. Oh, there's the plow trucks again. Gave them a thumbs up, they gave me a wave. Guarantee they putting in some long hours right now. They want to pass you on the left, pass on the right, on ice and snow. Already against the law to pass on the right anyway. Some people just ain't got much of that common sense stuff. Some of them are short, absent today. They was passing that stuff out. All them big trucks is parked. It's icy going down the hill. Station's open, but the liquor store's closed. Nobody gonna get no alcohol today. Should have bought it before the storm if they wanted any. That's fun and slippery, and up and over the hill. Good bit of ice still on these bridges. Truck right here. Feel it breaking up under the tires. 13,000 pounds of Detroit steel and muscle. All I need to do is throw me a snowplow on the front. Truly be a Swiss Army knife truck. Crawfish stand looks closed. They probably sprinkle some of that seasoning out on their parking lot. Thaw all the ice pretty quick because that'll make Cajun seasoning. Good for now. Catch y'all in a minute. Our old road is still covered in a good bit. Ice and snow. One little spot the sun's hitting it. Right there thawed. The rest of it's a good slick hill for the kids to play on, but there ain't no kids out here playing.
Unless you consider my 50-year-old sister a kid playing, trying to slide down the driveway or Maybe get her lone dog to mush for her. Ain't gonna work, sis, but you have fun trying.
Guess they all in there where it's warm. Driveway's pretty slick too. Be a muddy, muddy mess. Here in a couple of days when it all thaws, it's gonna be a muddy, muddy mess. Tracks. What I want to do here. Just before the snow fell. I'd do that with something pretty big, like a big old cat. That pond's got a layer of ice on it. You can see it. Looked like the water was moving and it iced up. It's thin layer, but way under in that corner it's kind of thick. Not thick enough to ice skate though. Squirrel. Right up the tree he went. He's just trying to get a nut. Driving in the winter wonderland.
Came down. Ooh. I'm trying to make y'all understand what I'm saying. Y'all, it looks like I'm all right.